work through here. Probably last year. Good morning. Spent a nice warm night inside in Whitehorse. It's really cold outside right now, probably 5 degrees. That's chilly, but it's going to be a nice sunny day today. We've got nice blue skies, so I'm happy about that. And we're going to be heading north, and don't think we'll get up to Dawson City today. Maybe check out some hikes along the way, and let's see the sights. Well, let's hit the road. In front of the Carmax Roadhouse, built in 1902 for weary travelers to change their horses and get a hot meal. I don't think I'll be getting a hot meal in there today, but we're gonna head out to the Carmax Ridge Trail, which starts just over there behind the signs. It's only about 5k there and back, and let's go check it out. I'm gonna bet this trail is not steep and grueling. Everything's so much better in the sun. Just look at that magnificent backdrop. So this trail will follow that ridge for a couple of kilometers, which means I get treated to this view for the whole time. After those steep and grueling hikes, it is nice to have a flat and meandering hike. food. Alright, Carmax Ridge Trail was great. And I'm really glad it's sunny out and I could show you guys the scenery. The Alaska Highway has been a fantastic drive too today. Got another couple 100 kilometers to go, and there's some campgrounds up by Mayo, it's called. So we'll go check that out and find ourselves a place to rest our head tonight. Alright, let's get back on the road. Etham Lake campground, 24 kilometers up the road. Let's hit it. Oh, there we are. All right. Welcome to Etham Lake. Another beautiful spot. Got another covered shack, so I think I'll just sleep in there. Just gonna get myself organized and eat. I'm really hungry. Alright, we got the fire going. Pretty soon this thing's gonna be roasting. And when it gets chilly in an hour or two, I'll be nice and toasty. Alright, I'm all set up for the mosquitoes, even though tonight it'll probably get too cold in about an hour or so. It's getting pretty chilly now. I've eaten and just about ready for bed. One last look as the sun goes down over the lake. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.